The Federal High Court sitting in Abuja has declared the pronouncement by the 2007 presidential candidates of the African Democratic Congress, Pat Utomi, to create a shadow government as unconstitutional, null and void. Presiding Judge Justice James Omotosho, in his judgment, held that Sections 1, subsection 1 and Section 2, subsection 1 of the Constitution are supreme and binding on all citizens. Senior reporter Celestine Aria has more.
The DSS in this suit was seeking determination of the court whether by virtue of the Constitution any person can lawfully establish a shadow government or a parallel government. Also, whether Pat Utomi's declaration to call a shadow government is not in contravention of the Constitution. In his response, Pat Utomi prayed the court to dismiss the suit as any unreasonable course of action was not established. He submitted that he was exercising his freedom of expression, which does not constitute any threat to national security. Delivering judgment, Justice Omotosho held that the shadow government is a practice in the Westminster system of government in countries like Australia, Canada, New Zealand, Malaysia and the UK. The Westminster system forms an opposition to scrutinize the sitting government, but its authority is derivative and operates within the bounds of the Parliament, insisting that the concept of shadow government is alien to our system of government. The court maintained that while freedom of expression is guaranteed, such freedom is not absolute to protect society from anarchy. The court will not allow the defendant to confuse the country under the guise of fundamental rights to expression. Mr. Utomi is restrained from creating any form of government not recognized by the Constitution.
In line with what we canvassed before it, has declared that there is no provision whatsoever for the formation of a shadow government or shadow cabinet. What that means is that if you have any criticism that you want to make about the government of the day, you do it through either your representative in the National Assembly or you express it without forming anything that has any government attached to it.
The court, in reaching its final decision, contacted some senior advocates of Nigeria as amicus curiae. About 8 SANs gave their divergent submissions on the concept of shadow government, which the court carefully examined. Celestina Aria, TVC News, Abuja.